I feel like everyone and their mother has a MacBook these days. Well, actually I feel like they've been popular for a while now. Me personally, I've never owned a MacBook. Whenever I stop and think about it, I'm like, damn, I've always used Windows PC. I think it's because I really loved video games, and Macs aren't the best at running games, so. But I'm at the tender age now where I don't really care about games like that anymore, and instead, I'm just trying to chase that paper. Paper boy, always about that paper boy. So I decided to get the 14-inch MacBook Pro, and since I already own an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and AirPods, I might as well dive head first into the Apple ecosystem.
The ecosystem.
The ecosystem.
I don't know what it is about Apple, but they make me feel like a kid again on Christmas whenever I open one of their products. It just feels so nice and almost premium in a way. You're first greeted with the laptop itself, followed by the owner's manual that nobody ever reads, and the 67-watt USB-C power adapter, along with the USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. Now underneath the laptop there's an engraving that says MacBook Pro, and I think this looks really nice. It's beautiful, honestly. I don't think I've ever seen another computer with an engraving this nice. The laptop body itself weighs around 3.5 pounds, and I actually like it. It's not too light and it's not too heavy either. Here's how it looks from the front. It felt really smooth opening it, even though it didn't look like it. And this laptop is also rocking a 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, which basically means that it's pretty fucking great, actually. It's really good. On the left-hand side, you'll find the MagSafe 3 port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a headphone jack. Meanwhile, on the right-hand side of this laptop, you'll find a SD card reader, another Thunderbolt 4 port, and an HDMI port. I'm really happy there's an SD card reader here because it's just so much easier having one if you're a photographer or filmmaker. So thank you, Apple, for including this one. Here's a quick look at the keyboard. As you can see, they got rid of the touch bar, which is a good thing because I heard that no one ever really used it and that it got kind of annoying after a while. Also, this keyboard includes a fingerprint reader, or Touch ID, as Apple likes to call it, and you'll find it at the top right corner of the keyboard. I think some final things worth mentioning is that this 14-inch MacBook Pro has the M1 Pro chip, which Apple describes as being scary fast. So we'll see how that holds up when I make a long-term review video on it. As for battery life, Apple claims that it can last up to 17 hours on video playback and about 11 hours of wireless web browsing. Also, the webcam is now 1080p, which is great news for folks who work from home or have to do a lot of video call conferences or anything like that. Finally, the pricing. This laptop starts at $2,000, but can easily go up to $5,000 or more depending on the options you choose. I think I ended up paying closer to $2,200. So yeah, just to give you an idea. Alright, thanks for watching. I mostly plan on using this for editing photos and videos and other random work, so if you want to follow up a video on that, let me know. Alright, see ya.
Really? All about that paper boy. Got a team to serve a paper. Cali to Decatur. Stack it. Paper boy. All about that paper boy. I keep a team.
Bro, that ass, you can't even fucking see it.
I'm trying to see.